Hi, I'm Karen from Karen Yoga Life, and today we're going to be talking about Tadasana or mountain pose, which is a foundation pose of all yoga poses. So it's a standing pose, and we're going to start by talking about the feet. The feet are our foundation. So if you look down at your feet, you want your feet to be hip width apart and parallel. So that means the ankles, the knees, and the hips are all in one line. You want your feet to be both facing forward, the outer edges of the feet parallel to the mat. So for some people, that means taking the heels out a little bit and bringing the toes a little bit more together so that the outer edges of the feet are parallel to the mat. This actually feels a little strange for some people if you're not used to it, and it's not comfortable. So if it's really uncomfortable and you can't be parallel, it is okay to have the feet slightly turned out. But you're really aiming to get the feet parallel if that's possible for your body. Again, if it doesn't feel comfortable, it really feels awkward, then you can have the feet turned out just a little bit. So we're starting with the feet parallel. And you want to think about being balanced on all four corners of the feet. So that means the inner and outer edges of the heel and the inner and outer corners of the front of the foot, the ball of the foot. So just rock a little bit and feel yourself balanced on all four corners of the feet. It helps sometimes to lift the toes, as I'm lifting my toes, spreading the toes wide, and then just placing the feet down, the toes back on the floor, so you have a nice solid base for yourself. Some people have a tendency to be either on the outer edges of the feet or the inner edges, but in Tadasana, you want to try and be equally balanced on all four corners of the feet. So working up from the feet, as I said, the ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders all in one line. The pelvis is neutral, so right underneath you, not tucked under, not sticking out, right underneath you. If you think of the pelvis as a bowl, it's sitting right upright. Then the hands are down by your side, and I'll just turn around so you can see what I'm doing. So the pelvis is neutral. Arms down by your side, the ears right over the shoulders, so not thrusting forward like this. The ears right over the shoulders, shoulders over the hips, hips over the knees, knees right in line with the ankles, and the arms strongly down. You can also gently engage the quads, gently engage the core by pulling the belly into the spine. Lift the heart to the skies just slightly. Relax the shoulders, relax the face, and smile. That is your mountain pose or Tadasana. Thank you.